When I prepare pasta like this, there's absolutely nothing left. I start by placing the pasta into water that's already boiling. I'm using 7 ounces of spiral pasta, and I add half a tablespoon of salt. I stir the pasta well so it stays loose and cooks evenly. I let it cook for about 7 minutes until it's al dente. Meanwhile, in another pot, I add 1 chopped onion to start the sauté. Now I add 3 chopped garlic cloves, which will give the sauté a lot of flavor. The skillet already had a bit of hot olive oil at the bottom, and I add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano for a special touch. I also add 1 teaspoon of salt. We add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to balance the flavor of the sauté. Now I add a little less than half a cup of milk and a little less than a quarter cup of water. Now I stir in about 7 ounces of heavy cream to make the sauce smooth. I add about 5 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese that will melt into the mixture. I also add 1 tablespoon of butter, which will give it shine and flavor. Now, with the pasta already drained, I add it straight into the sauce. Now I turn off the heat and move on to the final part of the preparation. I sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese on top while it's still hot. I also add a bit of chopped cilantro for garnish and a fresh touch. And now, all that's left is to serve a nice portion of this super creamy pasta. Just look at how delicious it is. A simple dish, but full of flavor and texture.